Hi everyone, Uncle Arnel is here and I'll be helping you solve the problem on the board.
We have here, what is the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 14 centimeters? Our problem is formula-based, but before we solve the problem, let us first recall what is meant by circumference. When we say circumference, it's the measure around the circle. It's quite similar to perimeter, where perimeter is the measure around the shapes with sides. So for circle, we have this one. The measure, if we say we measure from this point, going back to the point, that is the circumference, in which the formula is C, circumference, is equal to 2 pi r, where our pi is equivalent to 3.14 and r is the radius. However, in the problem, what is given is diameter. What is meant by diameter? Diameter is a straight line that passes through the center and whose endpoints are on the circle, lie on the circle. So this is our diameter, which is, we can notice, that is composed of 2 radius, because radius is a measure from the center to any point on the circle. So basically, diameter is equal to 2r. And we have available data that says diameter is 14 centimeters. Therefore, we can get the value of r. We divide both sides by 2, so we can cancel 2. So our r is equal to 7 centimeters. Now we substitute that to the formula. 2 pi times 7 centimeters is equal to 2 times 7, 14 pi centimeters. Now looking at the choices, we don't have pi, so therefore we have to simplify further. 14 times 3.14, the equivalent value of our pi. Then I would rather multiply first the whole numbers, 14 and 3. 14 times 3 is 12, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 42. So that would be beyond 42 because there is 0.14. However, looking at the choices, there is no other choice that has value greater than 42. So I would say this is our final answer.
That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.